Like a man. Like a man.
Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just want to let you guys know, go and join the New Wave Facebook group by A&A. It's called New Wave by A&A. It's a Facebook group. Go to Facebook, search New Wave by A&A, and you're going to see this logo pop up, New Wave. It's going to have my logo right there in the center, so you know it's the right page. You know, ask for permission to join. I'm accepting everybody. I want to see people in Australia. I want to see what y'all doing in the UK, Germany, like across the world, across the nation as well. I want to see everybody. I want to know what you guys are using, what products you're using. Show off your work. If all you want to do is just show off, do that. I don't care. I want to just see paint, you know, boats, pressure washing, lawn care, everything, man. So don't forget to join, man. Shouts out to the New Wave. Peace. Hey now, it's been a long time coming. My mobile detail and lawn care setup. It's not quite complete, but it will be real soon. So stay tuned. Part 2 is coming. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.